Alright, so I have the first weapon system done using the little camera. Of course, it's very far from finished, body-wise, but it's sort of based off of a AH-1, I think Viper is what they're called. Loosely. Well, I mean, the nose is pretty spot on in the gun placement, but it's not supposed to be one. So, as you can see, the screen is working. Sadly, it's not as reliable as I would have hoped. You also have to have it in hover, or else it won't be too reliable. So, a little. Yeah, there we go. So I need to move the... Well, I guess it's based on distance, where the reticle should be. But yeah, it all works. Of course, there's a bit of issues, like whenever you face it this way, the missile is going to land further over to the left than the camera, which you wouldn't think would be too much of a problem, but once you get, well, I guess no, it's not going to drift further away from the camera, whatever, it's quite an issue, so I'll have to fix that, or maybe I can use like a math word or something, I don't know. So I did have an autocannon in here once, so that's what that is. And since all of this stuff is controlled by my mouse in the operation mode, I had to make a workaround. So, in here, okay, whatever. In here, if I press X, you can see those things controlling sensors flips. Also, the power, or the throttle, is controlled with the page up and page down. But, so I can yaw right now, and then if I press X, I can roll. Because you can't really connect anything to your mouse whenever you're trying to look around. That just sort of makes it a problem. So that was my workaround. It's a little annoying, because, you know, you have to, oh gosh. It makes you fly around pretty blocky. Once you get some speed, the rudders sort of do their job, but, yeah. I think I made a workaround in another helicopter that I've made, but I don't remember. Don't know, I might go back to that. Yeah, that's how it's going right now. Oof. I can also, I guess, explain how the screen works. It's not very complicated, but, so of course these are just your simple light bricks. Then these sensors work on distance, so, or proximity, whatever. They have to be set on static object if you're doing something like this, because they will detect the vehicle, and then just the whole screen will go green, so, or whatever color you have your thing to. So you can't really do that. I figured that out and got very confused, but yeah. So you can't do that. This is just like the distance. You would think 50,000 would be a lot, but it really isn't. And so just whenever it's not detecting anything, it shows up as black or off up there, and then whenever it's detecting something, it shows up as green or whatever color you have on. Also, the reason why I have it negative 10,000 is because whenever something is barely being detected, it will be dimmer, but it will still be on. So you can sort of infer distance like that. I need to tweak it, but I was really dumb and made every sensor one color, and there's a total of, oh god, there's a total of, yeah, 901 sensors, so, or 902, 992. So, yeah, I'm not gonna do that, because that would suck. I've had enough of that. So, yeah, it's pretty, like, it looks really complicated, but it's really not too bad. Yeah.